Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your GNOME version, so you pick compatible extensions. This prevents breakage. Next, install the browser connector and the gnome-shell integration package so the website can talk to your desktop. Open GNOME Tweaks or the Extensions app and enable user extensions. This is the first actionable step that lets you manage them. Once done, you'll be ready to browse and select extensions safely, and you can proceed to install with confidence. Now you search for the extension you want and verify compatibility with your GNOME version and other installed extensions. This avoids conflicts. Click Install on the extension page and accept the prompt from the browser connector so the extension files are transferred and activated. After installation, open GNOME Tweaks or the Extensions app to enable the extension and adjust settings. Make small changes and test immediately to confirm the extension. Finish by restarting gnome-shell or logging out and back in so the extension fully integrates. This often resolves transient issues. If something behaves oddly, disable other recently added extensions and test again. Conflicts are a common cause. If instability continues, roll back to a prior version or remove the extension. As a key troubleshooting tip, check GNOME logs with journoctl and the Extensions app error details. Those logs show what failed and guide the corrective step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.